morning, my name is Alia, she is Darshita and she is Zoha. So here we are to demonstrate an experiment on electrical energy conductivity. So this project is made up of plastic box, it is having diodes, resistors as well as resistors so that we can get to know the insulators, conductors and semiconductors of electricity. So example, this is a metal. If we connect this both here, there's a bulb glowing. An example, if we take an ID card that's made of plastic, hold this no, and we try to run them, but then there's no bulb glowing there. So the LED is not glowing, so it is an insulator of electricity. That is the concept used in this experiment to demonstrate the conductors, semiconductors and insulators of electricity. Thank you.
So I'm Zikra and she's Hajira Safavia from 6th A. So here we are representing a model on magnetic energy transformation. How we can pass magnetic energy from a magnet. So first there is a magnet placed inside this. Again we are placing one more magnet. These iron balls, magnet can pass from these iron balls. So here we are keeping it. This shows the basic characteristics of a magnet, how we can transfer energy. So if you have any like you have to pass energy, you can do like this and we can pass this energy. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Ruhi from class 5B. Today I'll be presenting a model which is called as air pressure disc model. Air pressure disc model is used to measure atmospheric pressure. The materials used to make this model are a plastic box, a disc, a clamp and DC motor. When we turn on the circuit and connect the wires to the clamps, it starts rotating and it flies after reaching certain accelerations. Thank you.
My name is Kekashan Khan. I am from 8B from St. Mary's Public School. This is a model of energy consumption distribution circuit. So when the electricity is supplied to the circuit, it will be equally distributed between the motor and the bulb. When you apply pressure on the motor, it will stop consuming electricity and the bulb starts to glow more intensely. So this shows the electricity consumption and distribution concept. Thank you.
We Pumpkin of class 5A St. Mary's Public School here to demonstrate our invert air pressure model. Things contained to make this particular model are plastic bottle, plastic washer tube and water. The amount of force of air applied to the surface of plastic bottle leave no gap. So when we press the water bottle, the plastic washer tube comes down to invert air pressure. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mahi. I present you DC motor working process. In this model, I have used a plastic box, a magnet, a winded copper coil and this is steel. So whenever I apply electricity to this magnetic, the steel, it starts moving. Why? Because there is a magnet which releases the electromagnetic field. Like this it's work. Thank you.
Hello, I am Abhijit S and he is Danish. Today I will explain about air block tube model. So to demonstrate this, I have a plastic box and a plastic tube. The plastic box is filled with water and I have dipped the plastic tube into this water. So when we fill this tube with water and leave it, the water goes out of this hole. This is because of air pressure. And when we took water and keep our hand in the hole, so it does not pass. So when we leave our hand, it passes again. This is air block tube model. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Asir Arfat from class 7B, St. Mary's Public School. So today I am going to show and explain how a magnetic mechanical bell works. We have power supply, two metal screws and a copper wire connected to and around an iron base. It acts like an electromagnet when we supply the power. Can you show? See, this is a magnet inside the pen body and we have a spring here. When we supply, it moves due to the electromagnetic field of the copper coiled wire.
Good morning everybody. So I am D. Darshita from class 7A. We learned a lot from CMA. We learned about electricity, conductivity, energy and all the how to use electric bell, solar energy concept, and we even learned how to insulators, good conductors, bad conductors, all the metals and who can conduct the electricity. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity to learn something out of the box topic. Thank you.
Today I learned how invert air pressure is having pressure, and I even learned how air is having pressure in that experiment. Thank you.
My name is Saida Sara of class 8B. I study in St. Mary's Public School, and today by this model I have learned that how electricity transfer from different series. I want to thank all the CMA people and my science teachers for giving me this opportunity, and I have learned extracurricular stuff. Thank you all for spacing out your time and giving all the opportunities for us. Thank you.
My name is Syed Maher. I'm studying in St. Mary's Public School, 7th Standard A section. So I have learned many things in this school, like in CMA classes. So thank you for the principal and the CMA teachers.
Good morning everyone. I am Sachin Prabhu. I am from Standard 7A. I have learnt about the induction mechanical model and how the electrical energy turns into mechanical energy. I am thankful for the CMA group for giving me this gracious opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Joyce Joseph. I am from St. Mary's Public School working as the middle school coordinator. The exhibition from CMA was really excellent and outstanding, and children really performed very well. Their way of explanation, everything was excellent. I think they had a hand experience when doing with physics project, all that. So a big thanks to CMA for training our students so well. Thank you.
The CMA project, what was displayed today in Art and Science exhibition, was very much informative and interesting. Then to the respective classes, what they have to do, they did extraordinary projects, which was very nice. As I am from arts background, most of the projects which I explained, I did and understood a lot. It was very nice and very informative models. Thank you.
St. Mary's has been really privileged to work with Science Insight, and our students have gained a lot regarding the functioning, methodology, as well as understanding the concept in science. And I'm very grateful to Science Insight for enlightening our students. Thank you so much.